Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make your picture looks shimmery, shining, splendid on Picsart application. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Picsart application, and now we just need to start to create the new editing. Choose the picture from your gallery, and after you already have the picture, you can just directly go into this bottom line and click the FX tool. Make sure you are in the FX, and now when you already in FX, just slide this FX into the left side until you found a rosy and glow or golden. So let's try a rosy first. Okay, and that's all the way how you make your pictures like look shining, shimmering, and splendid on Picsart application. If you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.